Mackie Doyle is 16 years old, with blonde hair and eyes that grow closer to pure black every single day. He's allergic to iron, blood, and consecrated ground. Considering all that, it's a miracle he hasn't been discovered by the other residents of his family's small-town community. Not to mention, lived this long. Malcolm Doyle wasn't even a year old when he disappeared from his crib. In his place was left something not quite human. And whatever those things are, they usually die off after being left in a human baby's place. But for some reason, Mackie, as he's come to be called, has gotten to grow up alongside his adoptive parents and sister, who do everything they can to keep his true origins secret. But the close calls keep getting closer, and Mackie keeps getting weaker and sicker. While the Doyle family is dealing with all their problems, the darkness that invaded their lives is still very much alive in the town of Gentry. The baby sister of Mackie's classmate Tate just died. In typical Gentry fashion, the citizens are quite content to bury the body, mourn for a little while, and move on. Except Tate. She swears that the thing that got sick and died was never her sister. Basically, it was whatever Mackie is, and she wants his help finding out what happened to the real girl. The Replacement by Brenna Yovanoff is one of the best supernatural books I've read. It's dark and scary, and the most unique addition to the YA genre in a long, long time. Even those who aren't familiar with changeling lore can pick it up and just fall in love with it. Mackie is the type of smart-ass dork with a heart of gold narrator that we can all embrace and root for. The human supporting cast is full of great characters, but the supernatural elements are the best. If you want to read that breaks away from the cliche molds of supernatural fiction, read The Replacement. Just a heads up though, you may want to start locking your windows at night from now on.